Does your diesel truck hesitate violently when you press the gas pedal, or flat out refuse to start once the engine is fully warmed up? You are likely looking at an engine trouble code P2222, which translates to NOx sensor heater sense circuit range or performance on bank 2. To understand this, you need to know a little bit about modern diesel emissions. Diesel engines create an enormous amount of heat, which produces nitrogen oxide gases, commonly called NOx. These gases are a major cause of smog and acid rain, so your truck uses special sensors in the exhaust to monitor them and keep the air clean. Because these sensors live inside the scorching hot exhaust pipe, they are made of tough ceramics and have built-in electrical heaters to get them up to operating temperature quickly. When the engine computer detects that the internal heater circuit for the sensor located on bank 2, which is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, is acting erratically or falling outside of its normal electrical range, it throws this code. The symptoms of a failing NOx sensor circuit can make your truck incredibly frustrating to drive. You might experience random engine stalling at stoplights, severe hesitation, or a loud hissing noise when you try to accelerate on the highway, and a noticeable drop in overall engine power. In many cases, the computer will get confused and run the air and fuel mixture entirely too rich or too lean on that specific side of the engine. The root causes for this issue are almost always found underneath the truck. The most common culprit is a damaged wiring harness. The wires leading to these sensors get baked by the extreme heat of the exhaust and eventually crack, melt, or short out. Other causes include a massive exhaust leak blowing hot gases where they should not be, a malfunctioning catalytic converter, a bad coolant temperature sensor throwing off the computer calculations, or the NOx sensor itself simply failing from old age. To start diagnosing this in your driveway, you need to safely crawl under the truck and locate the exhaust pipes on the bank 2 side. Look very closely for any black soot marks around the metal pipes or gaskets, as this is a dead giveaway of an exhaust leak that can easily trick the sensor. If the pipes are sealed tight, closely inspect the wiring harness plugging into the sensor. Look for any melted plastic or bare copper wires touching the metal exhaust. If the wires look completely fine, you might need an infrared temperature gun to verify that the catalytic converter is actually heating up properly according to the manufacturer's specifications. Because diesel exhaust systems run at incredibly dangerous temperatures and replacement sensors are extremely expensive, you should not guess at this repair. If fixing an obvious broken wire does not make the code go away, it is time to visit a professional diesel technician. They have the advanced computer scanners needed to read the live electrical data from the emission system and pinpoint exactly which component is failing. Get it diagnosed right the first time to save your catalytic converter and get your power back.